In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to put text behind a person in Photoshop, step by step. This is a super popular effect that instantly makes your designs look more professional and eye-catching, and the best part is, it's actually really easy once you know the trick. Make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss any small detail that makes a big difference. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your photo inside Photoshop. You want to choose an image where the subject is clearly visible and separated from the background because that will make the effect look much cleaner. Once your image is open, the first step is to select the person. To do this, go up to the top menu, click on Select, and then choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in your image, which in most cases is the person. This tool is surprisingly accurate, but if needed, you can always refine the selection later. Now that your subject is selected, we're going to place them onto a separate layer. Simply press Ctrl+J on your keyboard, and this will duplicate the selected person onto a new layer. This step is very important because it allows us to place the text between the background and the subject. Next, let's add our text. Select the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard, then click anywhere on your canvas and type your desired text. You can customize the font, size, and color however you like depending on your design style. Now comes the key step that creates the effect. Head over to your Layers panel and arrange your layers in this exact order. At the top, you should have the person layer. In the middle, place your text layer, and at the bottom, keep your original background layer. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that the text appears behind the person automatically. If the positioning doesn't look right, don't worry. Just select the text layer and press Ctrl+T to transform it. From here, you can move, resize, or rotate the text so it fits perfectly around your subject. Take a moment to adjust it until it looks natural and balanced. And just like that, you've created the effect where the person appears in front of the text. It's a simple layering trick, but it makes your design look much more dynamic and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tips. And feel free to drop a comment if you want to see more effects like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.